First, insert the carbon tube into the wing, all the way. Release the aileron line. Insert the other end of the carbon tube into the slot. Now, apply foam glue to the contact surface. Apply foam glue. Avoid the screw holes when applying glue. Glue and stick tightly. Insert the negative wing line into the slot. Fix it with 2 screws. Install the other aileron. First, untie the line. Insert the carbon tube. Apply foam glue to the contact surface of the center wing. Insert the carbon tube and stick it. Make sure the line is placed along the slot first. Fix it with screws as well. Now the wing is installed. Connect the 2 ailerons using the Y-line. Open the motor cover. Place the wires in the groove of the cover. Cover the cover. Now install the wing to the fuselage. First, open the cockpit cover. Untie the line first. Put the line through the middle hole slot. Then align it with the slot of the fuselage. Fix it with screws. Insert the buoy into the slot. Fix it with screws and nuts. The wing braces come in different lengths, and the shapes are different on the left and right. This pair is installed on the right side, and this pair is on the left. Then the long end is installed near the nose of the aircraft, and the short one is near the tail. When installing, just pay attention to the distinction. Now fix it with screws. Wing struts is now installed. Insert the carbon tube into the flat tail first. Apply foam adhesive to the area where the fin and the vertical stabilizer meet. Apply foam glue. Apply glue to the horizontal tail. Insert the carbon tube and U-shaped connecting rod into the holes. Tighten and secure. Apply glue to the other side of the flat tail and contact surface. Align and insert the carbon tube. Note that the U-shaped rod should be inserted into the plastic part. Move it to see if the U-shaped connecting rod is connected. Next, install the pull rod and quick connector. Loosen the stabilizer fin screws. Pass the pull rod through the quick connector hole. Straighten the vertical tail. Tighten the quick connector. Similarly, loosen the quick connector on the pigtail and then insert the pull rod. Adjust the position of the horizontal tail. Tighten the screws. The bottom of the figurine and the cockpit have been coated with glue. Then fix the doll. Glue the cockpit cover. Then align it with the cockpit and stick it. Let's first remove the bullet heads from the paddle seats. One of these has a normal propeller, while the other has an anti-propeller. The positive propeller is installed on the left side, and the reverse propeller on the right. After installation, the motor rotates in this direction. After installation, put the bullet head on to fix it. Just stick it according to the instructions. The plane is assembled here. I'll now demonstrate the wiring using the MISR 66A for everyone. This is a navigation light control line. We connected the navigation light wires of the ailerons to the extension cord. Start wiring. Channel 1 connects to aileron cable. Channel 2 connects to elevator cable. Channel 3 connects to throttle cable. Channel 4 connects to azimuth cable. Channel 5 connects to navigation light cable. Once the entire wiring is complete, secure the receiver with 3 meters adhesive. Connect the battery and turn it on. Long press the bind button to set the frequency. The indicator light turning green and staying on indicates that the frequency assignment has been completed. We cover the cockpit. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Motor test. The assembly and wiring testing of the entire aircraft is now complete.